Back in the office. Let's see what the news have to tell us today. Oh! The beetle from the Egyptian pyramids has been stolen. I can believe it. That's a case for Putty, the super detective. Ready? Let's go. But I'll need to catch a plane and get ready. That place looks very, very hot. Okay. Already here. Wow, it's super hot here. They are impressive. But it's true, look. There was a beetle there, but now it's not. Where is it? Where is it? We need to find it. All these people were in the area at the very exact time the robbery took place. Sunday at 5:45. Yes, we can also say 5:45, guys, but 5:45 is even better. Let's ask all these people, what were they doing? Come on, what were you doing?
We were trying to find in the map the bus station to go back to the hotel. We were pretty tired. We had been walking all day.
Okay, I see. And you? What were you doing last Sunday at 5:45?
We were on our way to a show inside the pyramid. We
Okay.
performed and we were resting while all the public arrived.
At what time was the show?
At 7 p.m.
Almost 1 hour and a quarter before the show began?
Yes, but we were rehearsing. We always do. We must be inside from 5 p.m.
I get it. And you? What were you doing last Sunday at 5:45? We were also hidden on our way to see the show inside the pyramids. They had told us at the hotel that it was very spectacular show, and we were queuing at the door. We were the first ones. Oh, wow. They were really the first ones. And you, what were you doing last Sunday at 5:45? We were digging in some ruins very close to the pyramids, and we are explorers. And out of curiosity, what materials were you using? Well, we were using a box full of tools like shovels, rakes, some notebooks, scissors. Understood. Anyone suspicious? Who do you think from all these people could stole the beetle? I need more time, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so today we are doing the last activity of this past continuous and see that. Alright, the very first thing to see is we need to paint the verbs in past continuous and relate them with their pictures. So let's read the sentences. What were you doing? What were you doing, guys? We were trying to find the bus station in the map. Okay, so these children are with the map. For sure, it's this picture. So let me just go with the orange. I'm going to use colors. Okay, and we can make a circle like this. But then it says paint the verbs in past continuous. So we need to paint. We were trying. Okay, we were trying to find the bus. And if you want, what you can do is you underline the verb like this. Well done. Now we go for the next one. They were digging in some ruins very close to the pyramids. They were digging, okay? They were digging in some runs. So these ones are explorers, for sure they are near a pyramid and they were digging, right? So let's take now the pink color and we just make this circle here. All right, and now we paint. We paint like this. We paint the verb digging and we underline. I'm going to underline in a different color the verb in past continuous, yes? And the last one, super clear and easy. So what? I was taking a photo of the pyramids. This girl holds a camera. So for sure is this girl. We connect it this way. Yep. And now we paint the verb was taken. So let's go and paint was taken. Was taken. And now with this beautiful yellow, we trace it over. Yep. Okay, so now what? Now it's time to write a story in past continuous and invent it here. So up to you guys, okay? Well done.